Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to reset your password for your WordPress website on Amazon Web Services. So let's say you forgot your username or password. How do you get back into your WordPress website? Well, the most obvious way would be to click here where it says lost your password, and then you can put in your username or email address to have an email message sent to you with instructions on how to reset your password. But if I put in my email and push enter, I get this message here saying the email could not be sent because my site may not be correctly configured to send emails. This is because by default with Amazon Web Services, SMTP is not already set up for you unless you set it up with using like a plugin. So unless you set it up, this option is kind of useless and will not work. So what we need to do is log into our Amazon Lightsail instance. As you can see, I'm logged into my instance right here. We're going to go to the Connect tab, scroll down and click Connect using SSH. And then this is going to open up the online terminal. And then in here, all we need to do is paste in a few different commands to be able to reset our password. So I've included a link in the description of this video that will take you to an article on my website with the commands that you will need. The first one is just the command to go into the directory of our WordPress for our WordPress site. So we're just going to copy this command right here, and we're going to paste that right here into the terminal and push enter. And now we are in the WordPress directory. Now, if we go back to my site, the next one here is this user list, sudo WP user list. You don't have to run this command, but it's very helpful if you want to be able to see a list of all the users in your WordPress website. So if you have multiple users and you don't remember all your usernames, just paste this command into the terminal and it'll return a list of all of your users for your WordPress website. So you can see from my demo website, I have 4 different users. Okay. Now, if we go back to my site and go to this third command right here, now this one is the most important one. So this is the command that we're gonna use to reset our password. So right here where it says your username, you're gonna replace this text, your username, with the actual username that you're trying to change the password for. So if we're going to use, like, say for example, dev_admin, that's the user we want to update the password for, we're going to paste that username right here where it says your username, and then our password is going to go right here. So to make this easier, I'm going to copy this command here, and I'm going to paste it into a notepad, and then I'm just going to replace your username with the name of our user, which is dev_admin. And then for the password, I'm just going to put something like demo123, and then I'm going to copy this and we're going to paste that into the terminal, push enter, and you can see right here, success updated user 4. And then if we see here, user 4 is dev_admin. So it was successful. You don't have to worry about this not found message. This is just saying that email is not set up, so it cannot send an email. So we're all set here. We can just close out of the terminal, and then we can go back to our WordPress website, and then we can log in with our user, dev_admin, and then the password. I'm actually gonna push that so you can see the password as I type it, which is the same password I just used in the terminal, demo12345, hit login. And now we are logged in to our WordPress admin. And then once you're logged in, just go to users, all users, and then of course you can update the password in here for the rest of your users. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.